Hello to all. I am Dr.A.K Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss effect of solar flare on Earth. Effect of solar flare on Earth. A solar flare is an intense localized eruption of electromagnetic radiation in the sun's atmosphere. Flares occur in active regions and are often, but not always. Flares occur in active regions and are often, but not always. It is accompanied by coronal mass ejection, solar particles events, and other solar phenomena. Coronal mass ejection is also popularly known as CME. Coronal mass ejection, CME. The occurrence of solar flares varies with 11-year solar cycles. Solar flares are thought to occur when stored magnetic energy in the sun atmosphere accelerates charged particles in the surrounding plasma. This results in the emission of electromagnetic radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum. High energy electromagnetic radiation from solar flares is absorbed by the daylight side of Earth's upper atmosphere, in particular the ionosphere. Actually, ionosphere absorbs the solar flares and does not reach the Earth's surface. This absorption can temporarily increase the ionization of ionosphere, which may interfere with short-wave radio communication. The prediction of solar flare is an active area of research. It is very difficult to predict when solar flares will come. It is the topic of, or it is a very good area of research. Prediction regarding solar flare is difficult. Solar flares also occurs on other stars, where the term stellar flares applies. When a solar storm strikes the Earth, it often produces a dazzling northern lights display in parts of the atmosphere that can be seen on areas close to the Arctic circles. These northern lights display can be seen in parts of the atmosphere this northern light can be seen in the areas close to the Arctic Circle. Solar storms can also disrupt satellite and various forms of electronic communication. Solar storms start with a huge explosion on the sun. The intensity of solar storm can vary, with some being minor and causing little effect, while others can be powerful enough to disrupt Earth's magnetosphere and ionosphere, leading to significant technological disturbances. Now, little more about solar storm. What is actually solar storm? Solar storms include solar flare. Actually, it is just like solar flare only. Solar storms are almost same as solar flare. And what is the solar flare? Then a solar flare is a large explosion in the sun's atmosphere caused by tangling, crossing, or reorganizing of magnetic field lines, coronal mass ejection, a massive burst of plasma from the sun, sometimes associated with solar flares. Now, little more about the intensity of solar flares. The intensity of solar storms, you can tell, is graded on a scale G1 to G5. G1 storms are the weakest on the scale and can occur on a regular basis. The intensity of solar storm is graded on a scale G1 to G5. G1 storms are the weakest on the scale and can occur on a regular basis numerous times each month. Here G means geometric. Okay. The G1 geometric storm is unlikely to cause any damage to life on Earth, but can still affect power grids and impact some satellite functions, such as those used for GPS system and mobile device. Nowadays, GPS system we are using everywhere on the earth. Now, in all type of vehicles, particularly 4 vehicles, we are using GPS system. Then GPS system will be disturbed and mobile device also will be disturbed. Both GPS system and mobile device both will be disturbed due to, you can say, solar storm. Now question arises, if a storm comes, then up to what period? Up to what period that a storm will stay? Then this storm, up to what period it will stay, means how long do solar storms last, I am discussing now. The actual storm can last anywhere from minutes to hours, but the resulting impact can last for long, means sometimes for hours, sometimes for few weeks, sometimes longer than that. Earth's magnetic field are insulating Earth's magnetic fields and insulating atmosphere keep us extremely well protected from even the most powerful solar outburst. Now I have discussed about the solar flares and solar storm and its effect. Now I am stopping only here.